Okay, so it's still a lovely morning and the cows are still going out in the daytime. Not for much longer, but they've still got a bit of grass they can nibble on before they come back in the evening to go back on the clamp. So they've been having silage now for probably nearly 2 weeks, but we haven't opened the maize clamp, which is behind me. You can see there's a self-feed silage which they have, and there's the maize clamp there behind me. So I'm going to have a go at opening that today. And what I'm going to do is, we've got a very simple system. We're not high-tech pioneers here. We basically feed maize silage in some ring feeders with a bit of rape meal, and then they self-feed the silage. Not many people do it like that these days, but it works for us. So we'll have a look. Here we go, the maize. Now, it doesn't seem very long ago we filled that clamp up, and I'm opening it a bit earlier than usual because we've got quite a lot of it. Last year I think we went right back, we didn't have any maize, very good crop, so it sort of was to that second bay there, whereas this year is right to the front. So this will see us, I'm sure, right through the winter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this section of tyres out, which have done their job, and we'll start going back and start feeding this. They'll soon get through this early bit because it's not very deep, but once we get back to that back bit, it'll be a bit slower feeding. So I'm just going to get the loader, which is down there, and take some of these tyres off, and then we'll have a look at what the maize is like. Okay, so I've got my gloves on. Not a very nice job this, really. Just getting to get some of these tyres off. See how old some of these tyres are? I think they call those radials, not crossbodies, they're ancient. One tractor up the tyre up to 135. Next load. Oh, lost one. Okay, so as you can see, I've been taking tyres off. I've got the front half of this clamp cleared of tyres. There's a bit of straw in there, which I'm going to scrape off because straw's quite expensive now. So it's too good to waste. I can use that bedding somewhere else. It's not a lot, but I will take it somewhere else. So I'm going to dump the tyres, get straw off, and then we'll cut the sheet and we'll have a look what's under there. So see you again in, well, it will be 2 seconds for you, but it'll be a kind of 10 minutes for me while I just sort this out, and we'll have a look. Alright, cheers. Okay, so I cleared all the straw off the clamp, off the sheet. I'm just going to start cutting it. I've got my trusty old pen knife. Hate to say it's French, but it's a very good knife. I'm going to cut the sheet, and we'll just have a look and see what it's like underneath when we've got the sheet off. Hopefully there's no rot in it, and it'll be a straight case of feeding it.